In today's video, let me teach you how to use the Affirm 0% APR at merchants. Welcome back everyone to this new guide video. Now, if you don't want to pay any sort of interest and want to have the 0% APR, in this video, let me show you the way on how you do it. Now, not every merchants or retailers provide this option. You'll need to manually go through the merchants or retailers offering such type of promotional rates. So you need to browse through product that you want to purchase and as well as the retailers that you're purchasing from. So within the purchasing section or the plan section, you will be able to see multiple options being displayed. You need to verify that the interest or the APR is set to 0. So you need to simply select this plan and then tap on the continue shopping option. Now, in terms of checkout, either you can visit the direct merchant checkout on the retailer's website, or you can also use the virtual card that you might have created. So this is the exact process that you can follow. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to let me know. I'm gonna see you in the next one.